How to restore damaged and old photos using AI? For free. This photo is over 60 years old and almost completely destroyed. Faded details, scratches, missing parts. Honestly, most people would think it's beyond saving. But watch this. I used a completely free AI tool to restore it, and the result looks like it was taken yesterday. First, I uploaded the image into Google Flow. Then I used a model called Nano Banana Pro. Now here's the important part, the prompt. Instead of just saying enhance image, I guided the AI to carefully restore facial details, improve clarity, and keep it natural, not overprocessed. I pasted the prompt, hit generate, and waited a few seconds. And this is the result. Look at the difference. The face is sharper, the details are back, and it actually feels alive again. If you have old photos of your parents or grandparents, you can do this too. I've put the exact prompt I used on my website. Link is in the comments. Just copy, paste, and restore your own memories.